What's up, guys? Tyler here, and we're outside today.
Shit.
Again.
Right
Remember
here.
my video one? It is pretty fun.
What are you doing?
Okay, guys, we're gonna. My dog's barking at the bird I was gonna show you. He was literally staring into my soul.
Oh, it's
My
raining
papa's
outside.
here.
Oh, my papa's here. Oh, that's why Birdie was barking.
Oh, and Sable.
And Sable. Peppa.
And also Sable.
Yeah.
Hi, Peppa.
Look what I just got.
Phone charger.
What? Tyler, look. Tyler, you want to see some of the
Video.
Tyler, don't record me. Hey. Tyler, look what I got. You guys, look what I got. Oh my God!
Gabs. Holy crap. Check this out. Guys, you gotta check this out.
Oh my God!
I'm not filming it. I've always filmed on iPad and phone.
Oh my God! Where's this? Where's the bird?
Where'd it go? And but now our vlog's ruined. It sucks.
Well, we can do some cool stuff.
People only like vlog their awesome life, and we have no life. Exactly.
We have no life.
No life.
We have no life, Grandma. Grandma, you're poor. You don't have no life.
Oh.
Flip it. Let me flip it.
Eating cold French fries.
Cold French fries. Nasty. No, seriously, look at his face. Nasty. No, Lance.
He says it's a chapter. He says it's a chapter book.
Thumbs up if you. Every page in this book. That's how much subscribers we want. So. Well, not just all of them. Also 10 likes. 10 likes for every page. Let's see. Put my bookmark back in because I'm not a second one. I don't want to lose my page. Actually, I'll just. So that's how much. Out of all of these pages, that's how much you have. And you have to give us. Everybody, give us. Let me tell you something. All these pages in this book.
Can we do some shout outs for the rest of the time?
I don't know.
I guess so.
So, how about just straight up just. You want to go normal or you just want to straight up just go for 15,000 likes?
Just do it!
Just do it! And guys, you want to see something cool about this vlog? Hand me down! He needs some milk! Let's go. Okay. Guys, who's...
Let's give him a shout out!
We're going to give some shout outs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, also check out DIY Queens if you haven't seen it. It's my friend Destiny's YouTube channel from school.
I think they're just. What? I can't say it. I can't say it. Subscription? Yeah.
Subscription
Or dip.
chicken nugget diption below.
Oh.
And also
Yeah.
comment what you want us to do next because we probably
And no gaming mode. We can't.
we can't do gaming.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we can't. Because we have 3 kids. Unless we can play online. I'm ready to turn on to be your channel.
Also, shout out to Cheyenne Lamb. Shout out to Stephanie Corner.
And shout out to Connor Butto, AJ Cox.
Who you saw playing GTA 5.
Over there. Shout out to Chai Butto and Aiden Mitchell too. Thumbs up for Richard too.
Wait. Shout out to Richard the Frog. Shout out to Chips.
And shout out to Steve. Okay,
Shout
guys.
out to Puppy Treats. Shout out to Phone Chargers.
That's enough. Okay. So guys.
Thumbs down for the cops. They suck at their job. They're really bad at it.
Okay.
They just shoot people. Shoot them in the nipple, which is right here.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna have to end this video.
Leave a comment. Subscribe. And
If you want to see my cousin doing juju on that beat, I'm probably gonna upload it. I'm probably gonna upload the video.
on his channel.
Yeah, on my channel. Check
out his channel.
this little boy right here.
He's so short.
He's shrinking.
Okay, guys. So subscribe. Let's go.
No, I could.